Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Let's go ahead and get started with lesson 8. I did skip a few lessons. I just thought that we were doing pretty well, and the lessons that I skipped weren't really very beneficial for us, and I just wanted to go ahead and move on. So today's objective says I can divide fractions by mixed numbers by first converting the mixed number into a fraction with a value larger than 1. I can use equations to find quotients. So today we're going to have division problems of fractions, and we're going to be dealing with some mixed numbers, okay? A mixed number is a number that has a whole number as well with a fraction. So 3 3/4 is a mixed number. When we have a division problem, our first step is to change this mixed number into a improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction that has a bigger numerator than the denominator. How we do this, and here is the rule. Okay, you multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then you add the numerator, and you put that all over what the denominator is. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. We're going to put that over 4. So 3 3/4 is equal to 15 over 4. And then you can continue with whatever division problem that you have. Okay, so we're going to go over some examples together just so we can get this going. So on number 1, example 1 says 4 2/3 divided by 4/9. So the first thing I need to do is turn this into an improper fraction. Okay, so I'm going to multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. And I'm going to add 2, which is 14. I'm going to put that over 3. Then I'm going to skip dot flip, 9 over 4. And then I multiply normally. I can cancel out. I can see the 3 and the 9. Okay, and 14 and 4 both divide by 2, so this is 7 and this is 2. I multiply across and I get 21 over 2. Okay, this is equal to 10 and 1/2. That is number 1. All right, let's move on to number 2. 12 divided by 3/4. Well, I'm going to put 12 over 1, and we can go ahead and complete this. 12 over 1 divided by 3/4. This changes, skip dot flip, 12 over 1 times 4 over 3. I can cancel out the 12 and the 3. This is 1, this is 4. I multiply across, and I get 16 over 1, which is equal to 16. Okay. Let's go ahead to number 3. 4/5 divided by 10. We're going to put 10 over 1. Okay, and we get 4/5 divided by, after we skip dot flip, 1 over 10. I can cancel out the 10 and the 4. Okay, that is 2 and 5. I multiply across, and I get 2/25. And that is my answer. Okay, now we have a mixed number here, 20 and a whole number. So 20 divided by 2 and 1/2. So I'm going to put 20 over 1. Then I'm going to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So I'm going to put that all over 2. So 20 over 1, skip dot flip, 5 over 2 will change into 2 over 5. And then I can cancel out if I need to. The 20 and the 5, this is 1, this is 4. Multiply across, and I get 8 over 1, which equals 8. All right, number 5. Now we have 2 mixed numbers. So 6 times 2 is 12. plus 1 is 13. So that's 13 over 6. Okay? Now, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. That is 4/3, but remember, we're skip.flipping, so I'm going to put 3 over 4. The only thing I can cancel out is the 3 and the 6. This is 2, this is 1, and then I get 13 over 8, which is equal to 1 and 5/8. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 6. 6 and 3/7 divided by 9/10. Pause the video and try this one on your own. Remember that you have to multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator and put that all over 7 and then skip dot flip. Pause the video and then replay when you are done. So you should have paused the video. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 3 is 45, and I'm going to put that over 7. And I'm going to skip dot flip. I get 10 over 9. I can cancel out the 4 and the 9. This is 1 and this is 5. And I get 50 over 7, which is equal to 7 and 1/7. Okay. Number 7. 7/8 divided by 3/4. This is easy. So I have 7/8. Skip dot flip. 4 over 3. Multiply across and I get 28 over 24. I can simplify this, okay, and turn this into 1 and 4/24, which is equal to 1 and 1/8. Or 1 and 1/8. Yes, sir. One and 1/6. I'm sorry. Okay. Number 8. 5 divided by 1 and 2/3. I get 5 over 1. I need to change this into a mixed number. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 over 3, but I need to skip dot flip. So this is 3 over 5. The 5s can cancel. And this will equal 3 over 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, number 9. 6 and 1/3 divided by 3. 6 and 1/3 divided by 3. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19, so I have 19 over 3. 3 over 1, skip dot flip would be 1 over 3. I can't cancel anything, so I get 19 over 9, which is equal to 2 and 1/9. Last one, number 10. 8 and 2/5 divided by 1 and 5/9. We need to change both of these to improper fractions. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2 is 42, over 5. This one, 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14, 14 over 9. But I skipped dot flip, so this is 9 over 14. And I'm going to see if I can cancel. These can both be divided by 7, so this is 6 and 2. Okay, and then that can cancel again to be 3 and 1. Okay, then we multiply across. I get 27 over 5, which is equal to 5 and 2/5. That is my answer. All right, guys, I hope you followed along with those. We have one more example, and then I'm going to let you guys go on to the problem set. Example 1 says, Carly has 4.5 walls left to paint in order for all the bedrooms in her house to have the same colored paint. However, she has used almost all of her paint and only has 5/6 of a gallon left. How much paint can she use on each wall in order to have enough paint remaining on the walls? So In order to solve the problem, we must calculate the quotient of 5/6 divided by 4/2. So 5/6 divided by 4/2. Try this problem out on your own. Pause the video and see if you can figure out what we need to do here. You should have paused the video. So I'm going to take 5/6 divided by 4 1/2. I need to change this into an improper fraction. So this is 2 times 8, or 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 over 2, which would be 5/6 over 2/9. Skip dot flip. I can cancel out the 2 and the 3. This gives me 5 over 27, and that is my answer. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. You have a problem set that looks like this. Remember the rule, you multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator to get your answer. Okay, try your best, get it turned in.